by November last week or December first week, you need to start your prep for the GMAT exam. Hi guys, my name is Pratik Joshi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be helping you design your own GMAT timeline. If I was given an opportunity to answer the GMAT again, I would have done it according to this plan. Don't worry if you are not someone who likes to do things in a rush. This is the one for you because I have given suitable amount of time for retests and other prep which is related to your admissions and other stuff. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I've designed this timeline based on 6 simple steps. Step number 1. Before you decide on your GMAT prep, you need to decide which admission round you're going to apply. And to know that, you have to first find out your target institutions. So first you will have to decide which country you want to target, which institution you want to target. Once that list is made, then you have to look at the initial rounds of admission. Now why initial rounds of admission? Because sometimes the application fee is much less compared to the later rounds. So always target the initial rounds for that. Since most of the institutions offer admissions in fall, so I'm going to assume that the first round takes place somewhere in August to September. So I know my end line, which is August or September. So based on that, I'm going to design my timeline so that all my exams and all my requirements are met and I'm ready for admissions in August or September. Step number 2. Once you have decided that your end line is August, September, you will need certain amount of time to make sure that you have all the documents required for your MBA applications. If you want to know more about these documents, click on this link above and I have made a video where I've explained each and every document in detail. Now assuming that I need some time to make sure that I have all these documents, I'm going to give myself 2 months, that is June and July, to make sure that I have all these documents. So considering that I've answered all my exams and I've got hold of all these documents in June and July, I'll be ready for admissions in August and September. Step number 3. My English proficiency exam. Now there are 2 ways to go about this. So if I want to really answer an exam, I will need 1 entire month to prep and answer this exam. So May month is specifically only for answering my English proficiency exam. It can be TOEFL, it can be IELTS, it is up to you. Both are accepted by almost all the institutions, but many institutions prefer a particular kind of exam. So if your institution prefers one exam over the other, then please look into that. Also, there are certain waivers that are offered when it comes to English proficiency exam, and if you are an Indian, there are many institutions that will give you a medium of instruction certificate, which is a kind of a waiver when it comes to this English proficiency exam. To know more about this, click on this link above and you'll get redirected to another video that I have made on the waivers that are offered on the English proficiency exams. Since you have 1 month to prep for your English proficiency exam, mostly 15 to 20 days are enough. But in case that your exam goes badly, there is suitable amount of time to take a retest. So that is why I have allocated an entire month for your English proficiency exam. Step number 4 is basically planning my GMAT retest. Since May is reserved only for my English proficiency exams, I'm going to plan my GMAT retest in the month of April. The entire month is booked only for my GMAT retest because I will need suitable amount of time to get back into the mindset and to start practicing again to ace the GMAT exam again. If you have your GMAT test and it was great and you got the required score in the first shot, this month you can use to prep for your English proficiency exam or to get the documents that you need. Step 5. Since I've already planned for my GMAT retest in the month of April, I know that I have to answer my GMAT test for the first time in the month of March. It's favorable that I answer the GMAT exam mostly in the 2nd or 3rd week of March because there's a policy that after 16 calendar days I can answer my retest. So that gives me enough time for practice and for getting into the right mindset to answer my GMAT retest in the month of April. So please make a note of that. Step number 6. This is the final step where I tell you when your GMAT prep needs to start. Since I've decided that I'm going to answer the GMAT first time in March, so the prep should start around 3 months before that. So by November last week or December first week, you need to start your prep for the GMAT exam. exam. So you can see the detailed timeline here, and if you have any doubts, you can mention them down in the comment section below. That is it guys for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If this video has helped you in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any suggestions for what videos you want from me regarding the GMAT or your MBA applications, drop them down in the comment section below. I'll be back with another video soon. So until then, be happy, stay safe, and all the best for your prep.